Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, if you're facing installation or performance issues with the latest Windows 11 update,
KB5048667,
you're definitely not alone. Many users have been dealing with installation failures, slow system performance, and even game stuttering after applying this update. I'm here to explain the problems caused by
KB5048667,
why your system might be running slower than usual, and most importantly, I'll show you the steps to fix it. Let's dive in. So the issue comes from the Windows 11
KB5048667,
which is part of the Patch Tuesday updates for December 2024. Many users have had problems like installation failures, error codes, or long download times that eventually fail to complete. If you're seeing error
0x800F081F,
or any slow installation issues, it's because of a bug in the update process. But that's not all. Performance has also taken a hit. Some users are seeing their PCs slowing down, with issues like stuttering games and sluggish system response, especially after extended usage. If you've noticed slowdowns, stuttering, or sluggish performance after installing the latest update, there are several steps you can take to restore your system's speed and efficiency. First, you should adjust your CPU power settings. The update may have affected the way your CPU is performing, leading to unnecessary throttling that can cause your computer to run slower than usual. To change these settings, head to Settings, System Power and Battery, then click on Power Mode. From there, select the best performance on both options, plugged in and on battery. In addition, you can use a tool like Process Lasso to better manage system resources. This software helps prioritize and manage tasks running in the background, which can often consume more CPU power than necessary, slowing down your system. By using Process Lasso, you can keep track of which processes are hogging CPU resources and control them to maintain smoother performance. If performance issues persist even after adjusting these settings, you may need to consider rolling back the update or reinstalling it. To roll back, go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, and select Uninstall Updates. Find
KB5048667,
then uninstall it to revert to the previous version of Windows. If the update is causing significant problems, it may be best to hold off until Microsoft releases a more stable update. In the meantime, try the steps I've shared to improve the situation. And that is it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.